Hello, what's up everybody? Welcome to another episode. This week we are inside Lakeside, Accra, Ghana. My name is Joshua Kaku and we are about to tour this beautiful property. This home features 4 bedrooms, all en suite, living area, dining area, kitchen, storage room, balcony, powder room, spacious parking space and playing ground. Kindly watch this video to the end and comment your opinion, and please hit the subscribe button for me. Upon entering this house, you are welcomed with a mini lobby or ante-space, then a very spacious living area and dining area. This is the spacious living area which comes well fitted, lighting system in place 100%, AC and wall sockets well fitted. The living area has enough windows for ventilation. Extra ceiling fan has been provided. Let's take a quick tour of the living area and the dining area. Right after the living area, we head straight to the powder room or guest restroom. The guest restroom is a mini restroom designed to hold your guests or visitors. It is inappropriate for visitors to enter your bedroom to use the restroom. This restroom is a bit spacious and it comes with wall mirror and basin. Let's take a quick tour of the guest restroom. Let's move straight to the kitchen. This kitchen is very spacious, well tiled, enough cabinets, comes with heat extractor and space for dishwasher, washing machine and fridge. Another amazing thing about this kitchen is that it comes with storage room, emergency exit. A complete kitchen is a kitchen that has enough windows, and this kitchen has more than enough for ventilation. It comes along with double basin, emergency alarm, and all the countertops are made with marble tiles. You have extra space for kitchen island. Let's take a quick tour of the kitchen. The kitchen door also leads to the boys' quarter and its washroom. Before I continue, I want to say a big thank you to you all for the love and support you've shown me the past few months. Keep sharing my videos. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more content and share your opinions in the comment section. This sliding door leads to the terrace outside. This is where you can sit and relax or have a nice time with your loved ones. From this side, you can tell the developer really did well with the landscape design and the greenery. This terrace was designed with a bit of a pergola. Another amazing feature about this house is the water and the light system. The color of this home and the landscape design complements each other. let's head upstairs where I take you through all the bedrooms. Make sure to stick around to the end. If you are interested in this property or any other property, kindly check the description field for my contact details. First thing you see when you get to upstairs is another living area, usually termed as family lounge. It's very spacious. This home is one of the affordable luxury homes in Accra, Ghana. This is our first bedroom, very spacious, AC, fan, and windows well fitted. It comes along with this end-to-end wardrobe. This bedroom is ensuite. It has its own washroom. Let's take a quick tour of this bedroom. From here, we head to the next bedroom. I won't say much about this room because it has similar features as the first room. From here, we move straight to the primary bedroom or master bedroom. As the name says, this room is the master of all rooms. It has its own balcony, which connects to the upper living area. Nice design, kudos to the architect and the developer. This master bedroom has its own walk-in closet. This is an upgrade of wardrobe. It comes with extra space. Let's take a quick tour of the master bedroom. Now, let's have overview of the whole property. Take a tour around the property, the backyard of the house, and the parking space.